Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. This is another closing shift kitchen reset video. So I just finished eating dinner, making dinner. So the first thing I'm going to do to start this reset is to wash the dishes. So let's get into it.
Say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Say what, say what, say what? Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. The very first day of summer, all grown down in a Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. And you know what's up. Know what's up. Said I'm big on you. And I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up. Tell me what's up. People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning. Looking fly with the sun just on. Think I feel a bone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open. Waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't front. Taxi cheap, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Oh, I'm digging you. I'm digging you. Yeah. You know what's up. Said I'm big on you and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. And you know what's up. Said I'm big on you and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up.
Let's get rid of these clean dishes. Psych. No. We have to put in the work. So now I am just organizing the dishes, the pots, and just putting them into their respective places, and just empty these clean dishes out of the zinc so that later on I can give the zinc a good scrub down. Let me know if you guys rather me speaking throughout the video or no speaking at all, or like speaking a little bit and then continue the music. The first closing shift I ever done, there was no speaking. It just was like a full background music video, and you guys seem to really enjoyed it. So let me know which one you prefer. Just putting the spoons and the forks in this little storage container. Is it a container? Storage place for them, and then we just continue putting the rest of the dishes in their respective places.
Just another react.
this is how the kitchen is looking before we start cleaning. As you guys can see, this really needs a reset, so let's get into it.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on.
I went on to the stove. I am using a steel wool and some elbows to try to get this off. As you guys can see how it was looking, especially in one particular area. So that is the area I'm focusing on right now, and I'm just gonna take my time and go through that first, and then just casually to the other areas. But my main goal is to get this area scrubbed first.
It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. Can't leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on.
Do you guys see how it is looking? Like the before and after is a complete transformation. And this is how this area is looking after I cleaned it. So I did clean the sink, one of the sink, little earlier after I washed the dishes, but then I remembered I did some chicken in the air fryer and it needed to be cleaned out. So I did do that. So this is the reason why I am cleaning the two of the sink instead of one of the two of them. But having a clean sink before you go to sleep, or just having a clean kitchen, it just makes you feel excited to wake up in the morning to make breakfast, or just to do the simplest things in the kitchen because it's already done the night before. So I'm just going to wash it off now and continue cleaning.
Woman can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
Now that I'm finished with cleaning the sink, I'm going to move on to cleaning the countertops.
The woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change?
This is the end result of me cleaning the countertops and the sink, and I'm very pleased with how they are looking. The next thing I'm going to do is to sweep and mop the floor. As you guys saw earlier, when I was cleaning the countertops, there was like crumbs and bits of stuff on it, so they did fall on the floor. So it's just time for me to sweep them and pick them up from there.
Change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See.
So what happened here was I placed the bottle in the spray mop, but then all the water went down inside of it without me spraying it out, and I realized that afterwards I just have to turn the mop over to get all of the water out of it, and it was a lot of water, so I had to behind the scenes or off camera to spread that to the other parts of the kitchen and also the living room, because it was a lot of water. It is something I did not expect to happen, but it did. And so this is how it is looking when it's done. Once it is done, and that is it, guys. Okay, I'm finally done cleaning the entire kitchen. Took an hour. So this is me thanking my past me for doing this for my future me. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
All I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.